have so many questions. Actually, let's start with the most prevalent one. How the fuck did you get your car up?
Having a C8 Corvette pull into my car. It's fun times. Dude forgot how to drive.